Houston residential garage door repair services. Houston is a large city that continues to grow. There are many new residential homes being built in the area, as well as existing homes being updated and upgraded that are in need of garage door services. Houston Overhead Garage Door, LLC has licensed and trained technicians available for any residential garage door service. Our complete range of garage door-related services includes general garage services, electronic garage door services, residential garage door installation. When you call Houston Overhead Garage Door, LLC, you will speak with a garage door expert from our Houston office who will be able to answer all of your questions, address any concerns you may have. The quote you receive from Houston Overhead Garage Door, LLC is the only price you will pay, and we never add on any hidden fees or add-on costs during the service without your approval. For a free consultation regarding any of our Houston garage door repair services or new garage door installation, please call Houston Overhead Garage Door, LLC at 713-359-6404.